visible. Now it's in window remote desktop. Now you go to the start button. Click on start button. There is Microsoft Store.
Yeah, I don't think I have access to the store on this. Let me see.
Why not? It is a simple one. If you do not have access, then you are not able to install. Click on, no, not Power BI, Microsoft Store.
Let's see. Store. I think for this, I could only download from online.
Okay, okay, then go there. Power BI download. Just type here Power BI download.
Power
BI download. Enter. Then click on the first one. This. So many formalities are there when we are working.
Yeah, this is one of the downsides of this. I have to do this every time.
I love Apple product, but I'm not able to use Mac just because of Microsoft. You say does not support anything on that.
Yeah. Okay. How many times do I have to do this? Awesome.
Download. You click on that. Just click on the download button. Move down, then click on the download. Save. Run it from here, Wait. It is running the security scan first. Now click on that. I think it is ready to install. Run it. Wait for a minute. It will take some time. No?
Okay, let's do something.
Actually, it is running on a remote desktop, so that's why it is taking some time.
Yeah, it's a little bit slower, right?
It's an AMD system, no?
Yeah.
Total memory is a 1 GB.
Yeah, you see that.
Now we'll get a 3 GB or 4 GB memory in Apple laptop or mobiles. So with virtual system, we'll get this much only, because they have to run so many things.
Yeah, has a lot going on, right? Just to get it up to show me this.